In the bag, Philmac Metric Tapping Saddles have a saddle top section with O-ring, saddle lower section, bolts, nut and a pipe grip insert. Firstly, check the O-ring is positioned correctly in the top section saddle. Insert the pipe gripper into the lower section of the saddle. Press into the slot in this orientation and it will click into place. Push the bolts into the lower section of the saddle. The holes have small cleats to hold them in place. The bolt head fits flush into the saddle. The bolts will not fall out. Position the lower section of the saddle on the required location on the pipe. Then push the top section onto the bolts. Screw on the nuts by hand to ensure no cross-threading. Then tighten using a socket ratchet or cordless drill fitted with a nut driver. Saddle should be flush on the pipe. Using a cordless drill fitted with to create the hole in the pipe.